Yo, just about to hit that 20-minute mark and still have not received the first order of the day yet. 30 minutes in now and still nothing. All right, we finally got something. Not a great order by any means, but it's something. This is gonna be a Denny's, $14 going 9.5 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is a Starbucks, $6 going 4 miles. Yeah, both of them?
Yeah, both of them.
Got it. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $8 going 4 miles, 6 items, but it is a bunch of repeats, so it should be a lot easier than it sounds. I spoke a little too soon. Maybe, we'll see. All those repeated items are donuts, which I hate shopping for because a lot of the time they are out of stock. Okay, after those orders, I believe I'm behind pace by like maybe $3, but that's only going to get worse if I don't get another one ASAP. Been a few minutes, but got the next order. This is a kitchen table cafe, $9 going 5 miles. This might be a decent order. It's not really breakfast time yet, so it shouldn't be too busy. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's. This is $6 and change going 2.5 miles.
Ma'am, can you have the ketchup? Oh, yeah. Thank you.
I have a cake.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And over there, I know. Hello.
This one is McDonald's, $6 and change going 2 miles.
Six 3D.
Yes. Thank you. Just got a really good order, or stack, I guess. This is Voodoo Donut and Black Rock Coffee, $14 going 4 miles.
Here's that for you.
Thank you. All right, one down, one to go. Oh no. Why? Why did it have to be this location? This is the one that always has, well, it doesn't really always have a line, but when it's busy, it is busy, and it might be busy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's a line. At least 6 cars, maybe 7, including me.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. That went from like a 9 out of 10 order to 6 out of 10 just because I had to wait so long. That was so bad. Gonna take a risk on this one. We've got 2 shop and deliver orders for Safeway. These are at a store across the river though. This is $20 going 7 miles, 10 items total.
Thank you so
got it.
much. I got it. Come on.
I'd say that was pretty decent. Now, let me try to sneak back home before they trap me over here. And right as I say that, I got the next order. This is Jack in the Box, $8 going 3 miles. Okay, now let's sneak out of here with a little bit more haste so we're not stuck here all day. Got a McDonald's, $7 going 3 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome. And then if it's McKenzie, it looks like he's...
I might have been a little bit too far away to see it, but there was a squirrel eating nuts on those picnic chairs right there. Anyways, I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 10:02. Current total is 91, and I'm pretty sure I'm waiting on Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total when those come in. That is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.